The morning starts without a plan. A cup is waiting by the chair. A voice comes softly from the hall, and someone asks if you're still there. The radio is playing low. The kettle hums beside the sink. For once there's nothing to decide, and nothing urgent left to think. The streets are busy, work begins. We carry on through another week. A passing smile, a word exchanged, can say much more than people speak. We finish what the morning brought. We leave the office, close the door, and find that what we wanted most was waiting there before we looked. When the noise fades away and the room grows still, you can hear what matters if you listen long enough. Not the name upon the door, not the savings in the bank, just the warmth beside you and the hand you want to thank. Old friend calls after dinner. We talk about another time. He laughs about a foolish night, and for a while we're young again. A daughter leaves a message. A son asks how the week has been. Small words passing back and forth, yet somehow they mean everything. There were roads I should have taken. There were words I should have said. There were moments I was certain would be waiting up ahead. But I have learned to leave some questions without needing them resolved. Some answers only come to us when nothing needs to be solved. When the noise fades away and the room grows still, you can hear what matters if you listen long enough. Not the name upon the door, not the savings in the bank, just the warmth beside you and the hand you want to thank. We spend our finest hours trying hard to get ahead, then discover what we wanted was a quiet place to rest. A familiar voice beside us, someone waiting at the door, and the simple understanding that we don't need much more. the noise fades away and the room grows still, you can hear what matters if you listen long enough. Not the name upon the door, not the savings in the bank, just the warmth beside you and the hand you want to thank. And perhaps when all is finished, we will ask no more than this, that we gave a little comfort, that we shared a little peace, that the ones who knew us closely will remember something good, not the mark we tried to make, but the way we understood.